In this video we'll look at how to add the taskbar to our Debian 13 Gnome desktop. There are two types of taskbars available for Gnome desktop, and one is called -2 panel and it is similar to Windows taskbar, and there is another one called -2 dock which is similar to Apple Mac taskbar. We will look at both options. So we will start by opening a terminal and login as root user using the su- command. So before installing any of the extension, we have to install a package called Gnome extensions to manage our extensions, and the name of the package is called gnome-shell-extension-prefs, and here we can search for it using the apt search command, and we will search for gnome-shell-extension. And we will also filter for package that contains pref, and here's the name of the package we want to install, and we will install it using the apt install command. Also you can find all this command in this web page, and you can find the link to this web page in the description. And now we will go to application menu, and here's our extensions manager, and right now we don't have any extension. So first we will install the extension to enable Windows style taskbar call. It is called -2 panel, and we will search apt search -2 panel, and here's the package we want to install, and we will now install it using the apt install command. And now if we go to our extension manager, it does not recognize any extension yet, so I think we have to restart the computer here. And after the restart, now if we open the extensions manager, and we have this package called -2 panel, and we will enable it now, and that will add the taskbar like this. Also we can customize this by going to settings, and you can also go into settings from here, right click the taskbar and select -2 panel settings. Here I am going to change show application buttons to center, and that will center our applications. And also you can do other customization, like if you go to styles, and you can change the padding margin as well, and here also you can adjust the thickness of the taskbar as well. And now let's see how to install taskbar similar to Apple Mac, which is called -2 dock, and package we want to install is called gnome-shell-extension-2 dock. And again we will open a terminal, login as the root user, and we will search for, and first we will actually update the package list, and then we will search for apt search -2 dock, and this is the package we want to install. And then we will start the extensions manager, and it doesn't recognize the extension yet, so we will again reboot the computer. And after the restart, now if we go to extensions manager, we have a new extension called -2 dock. So first we will disable -2 panel extension, and then we will enable -2 dock, and that gives us this Apple Mac style taskbar. And also here one thing if the auto hide setting doesn't work properly, you can go to settings, and in this intelligent auto hide settings, click this wheel button and then uncheck this checkbox push to show. And with this button and this checkbox activated, you have to put extra pressure to show dock when you have application open. And if we uncheck this one, we don't need extra pressure to show the dock. And you can see now the auto hide setting is working in this computer. So that's how we add the taskbar to GNOME desktop in Debian 13, either dash to panel or dash to dock. In the next two videos, we will look at how to enable minimize and maximize buttons, and also how to enable desktop icons in GNOME desktop. And you can find those videos in the description.